gloves.
Okay. Yeah, you probably don't need gloves for passenger.
Probably not.
We'll see.
Yeah, I'll be like, oh, I should have wore them.
Hopefully it's not an issue.
Yep.
We got Tim and his Mustang up there.
Mustang.
Alright, so you just follow the curbs down. Brake, we turn in, we hit the apex, accelerate through. Tight line, we keep the speed up. We're looking for the exit. As soon as we see it, we accelerate through. Straight line here, we're going to brake, turn in, we're going to clip the apex, and accelerate through. Alright, full throttle down the straight. Shift down into corner one.
Starting first lap.
Hit the apex, accelerate down the hill. Follow the stripes down. Brake, turn in, keep the speed up. Down to the hairpin.
.97.
Everything looks so smooth.
That's the goal.
Fair.
One 10.32.
Faster than Garen.
Yeah. Run up down. There we go. Gotta have some fun.
See, I had to lift there.
Have fun, not crashing fun. So.
.108.68. Next left, carry more speed. Keep pushing.
She's demanding.
Next right, apex earlier.
You better listen, I guess.
Yeah.
Nice work.
Oh, there you go. You got some praise.
Yeah, if you do what she says, she'll like you.
Yeah.
Little drift there.
Next left, apex later. Keep pushing.
Yeah, it's a good example for
108.95.
how to correct.
Next right, stay wide and turn in. Keep pushing. Next left, the apex.
You're a speedy boy out here today, Sam.
Yeah, that's how I drive. The key to going fast, be smooth. Let's use all the grip you've got. And if you're using all the grip, it's as fast as you can go. So you can just let the car and the tires tell you what you
Next
can do.
left, apex later.
I gotta get better at listening to the car.
Yep.
Keep pushing.
That or you get a British lady who yells at you.
That's true.
109.24. Next left, apex earlier. Keep pushing. Next left, turn in earlier.
Yeah, I don't think I realized that was such a straight line. Like how you take that turn.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's like
It's
really-
like autocross, you know, if you turn extra, you're just adding distance.
That's true.
Next left, apex later.
Whoop.
Yep.
Keep pushing.
A little wobbly.
One 109.25.
I guess that's kind of mid-track, right?
Next right,
What's that?
stay wide and turn in.
Kind of mid-track.
A little bit.
Keep pushing. Next left, the apex.
Little drift.
Keep pushing.
It works.
Next left, apex later.
I guess it's time to go in, maybe? Or someone came off.
Maybe he was just putting away the
Keep
flag. I
pushing.
don't know.
I
Had a
guess
yellow
so.
flag. Oh, Chris Checkers.
Yep.
110.42.
Well, that's what we do.